is the site of Aspire Photography, Hero section, portfolios. They have captured fantastic photographs, man. Then testimonials, YouTube channel, about us, Instagram feed button, very Dutch info, contact information and footer. I have noticed a couple of good things and bad things also. Let me tell you the good thing first. User can very easily navigate this website because the navigation bar is at the top of the center and not very clumsy. But some of the website had many more pages and many more sub-menu. But there is only 5 navigation button, and on the right side there are some crucial links. The next good thing is the testimonial section. This is the testimonial section where user can find easily the testimonials in this website, in this particular website. The testimonial section and the navigation bar is good. Let's talk about the hero section first. First point, no photographs. See, this is a photography website, which means a website that is made of photographs. But there is no photographs. There is only an animatic icon. When a visitor will landed in your site, the user experience will decrease because he will expect something and the site will give them something. So there must be any visual content. It can be images, it can be illustration or anything or any visual content that describes you, that describes your domain, that describes your niche. The second point is absence of strong headline and body text. So you have told here, hello, we are Aspire Photography, based in Mumbai, Bangalore. We specialize in pre-wedding photography, wedding photography, fashion photo. But in the headline and body text section, you have to mention that who you are and what you do. But in that case, you are not giving that message to the users. Third point is no CTA button. CTA is nothing but the abbreviation of call to action button. Now, what is the call to action? See, every website is made for a reason. Like this is the business website and you want to grow your business by this website. You want more leads and more sales through this website. And for this reason, CTA button is required. Let's say there is a CTA button called schedule a call or book an appointment. And suppose a visitor comes to your website and after seeing all the visual content you have given in the hero section and reading all those stuffs like headlines, body text, they got excited and click to the CTA button like schedule a call. Then they will be redirected to a page where they have to give some information like their name or phone number or email. And now you got the lead. After 5 to 10 seconds you have arrived in your site, you got the lead from that particular hero section only for that CTA button. But that is how CTA button works. The last and the most important thing that there is no answer why users should scroll down your website. The hero section, you must give the answer that why users scroll down because it will increase the time the users are staying in your site and it will impact on your user experience definitely. You must give the answer in that body text or in the headline in the hero section. Now the next section, the new age of photography. The section is not bad, but I think it can be more better. Like there might be 2 sections. One is for text and one is for image or any illustrations or any visual. But one thing that should be in mind that the illustrations or the visual content you are writing that must be represent your headline. In that case, the image must be represent at the new age of photography. Like this is the heading. The image can be like the changes of photography market, like and new era of photography, that kind of things. Okay, this is looking like that makes trust to the visitor and can be after the hero section because all the stuffs that feels better for the visitor must be at the beginning. So that is why I am saying that this particular group of images and like 2020 2250 plus shoots organized 190 plus destination covers, all those stuffs can be just after the video section. Now this is the best section of the site, but I have two important issues with this section. First one, due to high quality images, the site speed getting decreased, which will impact on your user experience. Second thing, you have added probably 30 to 45 images in one section. I'm giving you an advice that break it into categories. Like first one is wedding photography, second one is baby shoot, third one is portrait shoot. So when a visitor will click on the wedding photography, they will see only the wedding photography, same as others. So everything else is superb. The photographs you have taken is just seriously awesome. I loved it. And now this is the testimonial section. I've already told that this is one of the good design sections. Now it comes the latest films. You have shared your YouTube. That is okay, but I don't think that it is very necessary to share those YouTube links in the homepage, because our homepage is like you are giving value to your visitors and forgetting the lead, obviously forgetting the sales. So I don't think that it will make an impact for getting the leads or sales. This is the about section. First thing, the about section is not symmetrical, like the text and with the photo. Second thing, like the section is for about us, you have written here, and tell me, is the three lines describing as per photography? Not right. So this is not the perfect text. This is not the perfect fit for about section. These three lines you have told about your team, and next these four lines you have told about yourself. So in that about us, you have told yourself and you have told about your team. I'm advising you, if you want to make an about us text, please write for the company or write for the domain, write for the team. Because if you are telling about us, that means a team. If you are telling about me, that makes about of a person. Same as for the image, give some imagery of the team, of as for photography, not of a single person. And the last time, like no occasion is too small to celebrate, create more memories and beautiful photo gallery with us. This is definitely not the perfect fit for the about us section. This will increase the excitement of the visitors. So this is definitely inside the about us text. I hope you got understand what I'm telling. Last thing, when you are giving some text, please try to give point basis, because as a visitor, definitely I will not read these 10 lines. But if you give like 5 points or 6 points, I will definitely read, because it looks very similar, it looks very short lines. So it will affect on your user experience. Now at last, there is a button for which is redirecting to your Instagram page. I don't think that when you have already given link to your Instagram Facebook page for the 2 times, so there must be a TTA for scheduling a call, book an appointment, like the contact us, like this. So this is not required. Then get in touch. All are good, but try to give something like outlook@asperphotography.in or something like that. And footer is good. The color is okay, because here in this site only one color is used, that is green. Some of the section like here pink is used and yellow is used. Again, not that problem, because the main color is green is here. But I have issue with the typography. The font is okay. Everywhere the font is let me check. The font is Rubik. Okay. Font is Rubik. The size of the font is different. This is the H1, which is 34 pixels. This is the H2, which is 22 pixels. And this must be H2, which must be lesser than H1. Here H1 34, but here H2 is 34. That must be less than 34. Same as here, same is here, same is here, and here also. Then the body text. Here the body text is 19 px, which is not recommended. 14 to 18 px is recommended, but 90% cases 16 px is used. Okay. And last thing, when already you have chosen 19 px, here the above section, the text size is 21. That is not going to the body font. Okay, that is also one case. Last but not the least, aspirephotography.in is a one-page website which is definitely not recommended, as because in your Instagram you have 12.2k followers, and in YouTube channel you have around 4k followers. So you have the audience. Why you have the website? That doesn't make any sense. If you have a website, then please take benefit out of it. So I already made a design of Inspire Photography. Let me show you. This is the previous website, and I have designed this. Let me tell you why I have made this. At first, before starting this design, I have keywords: Aspire, prices, dedication. I already made a logo. I don't know if it's good or not. I'm not good at logo design, but I made it because this logo, I don't think that it's a proper font. So I made it. This is logo, and then an icon. This is the color palette I have used, because the main color is here, the green color. This is the dark version of green color. This is the dark shade of the green color. This is the dark version. This is light green, and this is the most light color. This is the complement color. I used complementary color palette. This is the main. This green is main color, which is used in your site, main site. There is the main color, primary color. This is the complement color, and this is the dark shade of complement color. And with those color palette, with those keywords, I have designed this website. Here in this is the logo, the navigation bar, home, portfolio, testimonials, about, contact. Let me show you the full website. See here, memories we have captured. Same time, there are only 6 superb images. And if the visitor will click one of the images, they can see. And why choose the section? This will stand out from your computer. Okay, creativity, patience, property. So this is the what people are saying, the testimonial sections, and ignore that images. This is the stock images I have chosen from stock images, and this is the FAQ section. This is the last CTA, because like after all, at the bottom of the page, but at the bottom of the home page, get your visitors excited to join with you, to work with you. So this is the last at the bottom of the home page, last city, and then the photo section. Like, welcome to Aspire Photography. And this is the headline, that every picture tells a story. How do you want your story to be told? We understand, and this is the politics. We understand that photography is a lot more than about being aesthetically pleasing. It's about capturing a moment that will forever be got. So you are exciting your visitors. You are giving value to your visitors. After those steps, you are telling them, okay, let's make your story. Sorry, the story telling is wrong. So after all those steps, you are giving them a city about okay, let's make your story. And this is the as featured on section. I saw your Instagram bio, and I choose logo from your Instagram handle to as featured up this week. So you can see here, At the hero section, visitor will see the as featured on section for company's logo. This will increase your trust. So that's why this section is very important at the top of the page. Then, what is Aspire photography? There are some text describing Aspire photography. This is the logo, and this is the team member's photo. Then, that memories we have captured. This is one of the important section for a photography site. So this will only 6 photos. First option is this, and second option is you can categorize your photo. But I didn't put the category in the home page as because visitor can see the real images at the home page, not the categories. So I put these fantastic photos here. Visitor must be understand that why they choose you. Okay, so why choose me best fit for you over others from your competitors. So first one is creativity, patience, cooperative, or etc. etc. Then the testimonial section, the review section, what people are saying. Please ignore the images which should be replaced by your company. Then the frequently asked question. It will clarify the thoughts of visitors. Then after all those things, like every picture tells a story. How do we want to story be told? This is same like hero section, but it will not in the real image, real website. I just copied it. You can see the background image, like the surprise, like visitor will be surprised. That's why I have put the surprise image behind the text. This is the secondary call to action pattern. So this website now working as a sales page, like a visitor landed on your site, they see all the stuffs. They see you have already featured on those companies. They understand what is Aspire photography. They saw the pictures you have captured. Then why choose you? They see people or what people are saying. They see they read frequently asked questions. And after that, if they are excited, if they are interested with you, then give them opportunity to click the button and appoint, get appointment, make an appointment with you. And that's how website works for lead or sale as well. So I have designed this. Can be better, definitely. If you clarify me, I made this according to my thought. This is your previous website. This is your actual website. I have not made any animation. So let me know how the design is, how you can understand all those mistakes, and please tell me in the comments that if I have made any mistakes or I had missed something on this website or this design, please let me know. Till then, thank you.